Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster using your TI-84. I'm Tina from my tutor. Let's jump in. I'm going to show you now for finding the slope of a line. If this is a program I wrote for the TI-84, if you don't have it, I'll give you some information in a minute about where to find it. You're going to hit PRGM to find that program. We're going to go down until we get to slope. We're going to hit enter to select it, enter to run it, and the program tells us it wants the first point. So 1 is the x coordinate. I hit enter, 5, enter. The second point is 17, 7, and I get a decimal. None of these are in decimal form. So to find out which one is the correct answer, I'm going to hit math. The first one's fraction, so I basically I think about it as I hit math, enter, enter. It gives you 1/8, and that means that A is the right answer. If you want more TI-84 shortcuts for the ACT and SAT, don't forget to follow and check out the free TI-84 starter pack in my bio or in the description of this video.